Good morning everyone, this is Peter Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 8th of March. ECB Interest Rate decision. ECB is to announce its interest rate decision and is expected to remain on hold at 0%. EUR OIS imply a probability for the bank to remain on hold at 95.68%. As the interest rate is not expected to change, the following press conference could become the epicenter of the decision's deliverables. The market may be watching out for any hints about an ending to the bank's QE program. Also, the wage boost in Germany could be mentioned. The interesting part would be any comments about the effects of the upcoming US trade tariffs and the Italian elections. Please also note that there could be a possible accommodation of the tendency within the ECB for tapering the QE program. In general, there could be a rather neutral to dovish tone, as cautious would be advisable at this point. Euro could weaken. Euro USD stabilized and continued to trade in a sideways manner in the past couple of days after it broke the 1.2355 resistance line, now turned to support. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner. However, the pair could have a bearish mood should the ECB interest rate decision in the following press conference have a dovish tone. Should the bears have the upper hand, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2355 support level and aim for the 1.2230 support barrier. Should the bulls take the reins, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2495 resistance level. BOJ Interest Rate decision. BOJ is to announce its interest rate decision early tomorrow and is expected to remain on hold at minus 0.1%. JPY OIS imply a probability for the bank to remain on hold at 96.29%. As the interest rate is not expected to change, market focus is expected to shift to the accompanying statement. Recent statements from BOJ officials about alternative ways to keep BOJ stimulus besides the QQE program, as well as mentioning that BOJ stimulus program should be data-driven and not date-restricted, sparked new discussions about BOJ's intentions. The market again may be watching out for any possible hints about the ending of the bank's QQE program, especially after recent statements by Kuroda and other BOJ officials. Any comments about the inflation rate would be interesting. Also, any comments about the US tariffs and their effect on the Japanese economy would gain on interest. Overall, we see the case for a neutral to dovish tone and JPY could weaken. Dollar-yen continued to trade in a sideways manner yesterday, testing the 105.55 support line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner, however with some bullish tones should BOJ's interest rate decision and the accompanying statement have a dovish tone. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 105.55 support line and aim for the 104.66 support level. Should it find fresh buying orders, we could see it breaking the 106.95 resistance line and aim for the 108.30 resistance level. In today's other economic highlights, during the European Day, we get Germany's industrial orders for January, which are set to decelerate and mark a decrease. In the North American session, we get Canada's housing starts for February, Canada's building permits for January, and the US initial jobless claims. As for speakers, BOC's Governor Polos and Deputy Governor Lane speak. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Peter Iosif, analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.